going to learn to solve x in this video. Are you guys ready? Let's start with the problem. The tank at a gas station contained 400 gallons of gas, and a tanker truck that contained 8,100 gallons of gas filled the station's tank. After that, the tanker truck had 4 times as much gas as the station's tank. How much gas did the tanker truck put into the station's tank? Phew! That's a lengthy problem, guys. No worries. Rule number 1. When you see a lengthy problem, break it into parts. First part of the problem. The tank at a gas station contained 400 gallons of gas. So let's draw a bar for the tank and mark 400 gallons. Now the second part. A tanker truck that contained 8,100 gallons of gas filled the station's tank. Let's now draw a bar for the tanker and mark 8,100 gallons. They also say that the tanker filled the station's tank. So let's shade a portion of the tanker. But do we know how much that part is? Rule number 2. When you don't know the value, mark it as X. So now X is filled in the tank. And hence, X is added to the tank. So now, tank will have 400 plus X. And tanker will have 8,100 minus X gallons. Cool! Now let's go to the next part of the question. After that, the tanker had 4 times as much gas as the station's tank. So the tanker has 4 times as much as in the tank, which means tanker has 4 times tank. What is the value of the tanker? 8,100 minus X, and that is equal to 4 times 400 plus X. And now it's time to solve X. 8,100 minus X is equal to 4 times 400 plus X. Now let's apply distributive law. Are you wondering what is distributive law? We have a complete video on distributive property. If you haven't checked it, please check the link in the description box below. 8,100 minus X is equal to 4 times 400 plus 4 times X, which is 1,600 plus 4X. Rule number 3. When you are solving X, bring all X to one side and numbers to the other side. When the minus X in the left-hand side goes to the right-hand side, it will become plus X. Similarly, when the 1,600 in the right-hand side goes to the left-hand side, it becomes minus 1,600. 5x is 5 times x, which is multiplication. So, 5 in the right-hand side, when it comes to the left-hand side, it becomes division. So, x is equal to 1,300. So what is our question? How much gas did the tanker truck put into the station's tank? How much did it put? X. And x is 1,300. So the answer is 1,300 gallons. Don't forget to put the units. So what did we learn by solving this problem? Rule number 1. Break the question into parts before attempting to solve it. Rule number 2. If you have an unknown value in a problem, call it x. Rule number 3. Solve x by bringing x to one side and numbers to the other side of the equation. Remember, when you are switching, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Multiplication becomes division and vice versa. Thanks for solving with me, guys. Hope you found this useful. For more learning videos, like, share, and subscribe to ASquareLearners. Bye-bye!